Good morning, class. Today we are going to start the unit number 4th. As we discussed yesterday that how to solve the questions regarding the coordinates, that is x and y. And also class, we had also find that how solution can be found by a given equation. How solution can be found by a given equation. So class, today we will discuss a few questions regarding that. Okay, now the first question is, draw the graph of x plus y equals to 4. X plus y equals to 4. This is the equation given to you, class, and from this equation you need to draw a graph, draw a line in a graph. Okay, class. Now again, first of all, to determine this equation in a graph, we need a solution. We need a solution. So class, to find out the solution, let I assume that x is 0. Any of the value. You can assume y also. You can assume x or you can assume y. So I am assuming x equals to 0. Then y equals to 0 plus y equals to 4. So y equals to 4. What is the solution? That is 0 comma 4. So this is a simple bracket. It's a first solution. Second, let x equals to 1. So 1 plus y is equals to 4. So y equals to 4 minus 1, that is 3. The solution is 1 comma 3. Any doubt? That's the second solution. Okay. For the third solution, let x equals to 2. So 2 plus y is equals to 4. Y equals to 4 minus 2, that is y equals to 2. So 2 comma 2. It's a third solution. Likely you can find fourth, fifth and whatsoever you want. Okay. Now class, I got 3 solution. One is 0 comma 4. Other is 1 comma 3 and other is 2 comma 2. I will draw it in the graph. So class, note it down. Take a screenshot. 1, 2 and 3. So class, I need to draw this line in a graph. I got a 3 solution, that is 0 comma 4, 1 comma 3 and 2 comma 2. So class, this is a graph. This axis is known as x-axis and this axis is known as x-axis. This is y-axis, this is y-axis. Any doubt? So class, if this is the origin, I will write it here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. It's a minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So class, these are the coordinates represented by us on a graph. Now class, what's the solution? Solution is 0 comma 4. What is this? This is the x and 4 is the y. So class, what is that x? It's at 0. 0. What is y? 4. So means 0 will go up to 4. So its coordinate is 0 comma 4. Any doubt class? Now this is 1 comma 3. What is 1 comma 3? 1 is x and 3 is y. So this is x. It's a 1. What is this? Will go till 3. This is 3 class. So coordinate is 1 comma 3. Any doubt? Again, it's a 2 comma 2. It's a 2. We'll go to the y. The point of intersection coordinate is 2 comma 2. So class, when I join this, what I am getting, this is a straight line and name of this equation is x plus y is equals to 4. So class, we have done all this. One more basic thing I had not told you, that you had seen in the graph, there is a particular rectangles formed you know, and there is a small division, small 10 divisions are there. So this is known as 1 unit. This is 1 unit. So class, what you have done, 1 unit equals to 1 centimeter. I will consider this is a measurement of 1 centimeter. So what I am writing here, scale, okay, 1 unit equals to, on x-axis, 1 unit equals to 1 centimeter, and on the y-axis same class, it's a 1 unit. Okay, it's a 1 unit, and 1 unit we are considered again a 1 centimeter on y-axis. So y-axis is 1 unit equals to 1 centimeter. So class, this plays an important role while drawing the graph, because from this we comes to know that 1 unit is defined as 1 centimeter or 10 rupees, or you can say 15 centimeter, whatsoever, what is given in the question, whatsoever, it's depend all upon the given question, that it is in the question it is a rupees, in the question it is a distance, in a question it is a velocity, and whatsoever. So unit will define according to that measurement. So in this nothing is given to you, this is simple coordinates. So what I had done, I had assumed that 1 unit equals to 1 centimeter. 1 unit equals to 1 centimeter for each x-axis and y-axis. So there is continuous 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Okay class, is a doubt till here? So class, what is the question? Draw a graph of a given equation. First of all we had find out the solution. Okay, after finding solution we had represented these solution in a given graph. Okay, you had like one graph copy, draw the graph on and represent this solution in a graph, you will get a straight line. If it is not getting a straight line, then we will say that it's not a given equation of a particular line. Okay, so we are getting line and we will write the name of that line is x plus y equals to 4, or whatsoever given in the question. Got it? Isn't doubt? Do it. Take a screenshot. 1, 2, 3. Okay class, now second question. What is in the second question? That it is given it's of exercise 4.3. It's a third question, I think so, third question of the exercise. That is the taxi fare in a city is as follow. For the first kilometer the fare is rupees 8, and for the subsequent distance it is rupees 5 per kilometer. Rupees 5 per kilometer. Now what is saying? Taking the distance covered as x kilometer and a total fare as rupees y. Write the linear equation. Write the linear equation for this information. And draw its graph. So class, this is a question, and what is in the question? I repeat again. Taxi fare means amount, rupees की बात हो रही है यहाँ पे. The taxi fare in a city is as follow. For the first kilometer, the taxi fare is rupees 8. कि पहले किलोमीटर के लिए 8 रुपये लग रहे हैं, 8 rupees they are giving, and for the subsequent distance it is rupees 5 per kilometer. कि first kilometer they are giving the 8 rupees for the first kilometer, It's a 1 kilometer. They are giving 8 rupees. Okay, this is B. For the next kilometer, they are giving 5 rupees each. Okay, so class, what is common among all these? That 5 rupees is common, 5 plus 3. Only 3 rupees they have to give extra. They are paying 5 rupees for a per kilometer, but in the first kilometer they are paying extra 3 rupees. Extra 3 rupees. Now class, okay. What is saying? Taking the distance covered as x kilometer. For example, a car is started from here, coming to here with a x kilometer. We don't know how much kilometer they had traveled. Okay, and total fare, the amount, this amount to be y. Total amount कितना हो गया ना? So write the linear equation for this information and draw its graph. So class, it's a very simple कि distance को हमें x लेना है and total rupees को हमें y लेना है. तो आपको पता है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई एम गोइंग इन ए टैक्सी, आई हैड ट्रेवल्ड 5 किलोमीटर, आई हैड ट्रेवल्ड 5 किलोमीटर एट रुपीज़ 5 पर किलोमीटर, एंड फॉर द फर्स्ट किलोमीटर आई एम गिविंग 8 रुपीज़. सो 5 किलोमीटर इज 5 5 25 and 3 rupees extra I am giving to him. 25 plus 3 is 28. So y is 28. Got it class? Are you getting my point? Okay. Now what is saying? Let the distance traveled या covered, you can say covered है ना, be x kilometer and total fare rupees y. So class, total cost या total fare equals to total distance covered into cost per kilometer plus extra charge. Extra charge. Okay. Total fare is y. Total distance is x. Cost per kilometer is 5. Total amount paid is 3. Starting में उन्होंने 3 rupees extra pay किया ना, कि 8 rupees they had to give. So for first kilometer they are paying 3 rupees extra. So 3 rupees extra for the first kilometer, and remaining they are giving 5 rupees each. So y equals to what you are getting? 5 into x is 5x plus 3. This is your equation. This is your equation. So y equals to 5x plus 3. Any doubt till here class? Okay, note it down. I am going to rub this. So class, 1 2 3. So first condition is fulfilled, that is write the linear equation. We have done it. Y equals to 5x plus 3. Y equals to 5x plus 3. We have done it. Okay. Now the second condition is draw its graph. Draw it graph. Okay. So I will rub it again. Now the given equation is y equals to 5x plus 3. So we have drawn again a graph, and before that we need a solution. Let x equals to 0, so y equals to 3. Don't consider 0, because for 0 kilometer there is nothing amount, है ना? For the 1 kilometer they are giving rupees 8. For the next kilometer, for the 2 kilometer they are giving y equals to 5 into 2 plus 3, that is 10 plus 3 is 13 rupees they are giving. And for the subsequent x equals to 3 kilometer, they are giving 5 into 3 plus 3, that is 15 plus 3 is 18 they are giving. So class, what's the solution? Solution is 1 comma 8, and for this 2 comma 13, and for this it is 3 comma 18. Okay. Now class, look here. X coordinate is 1 2 3. So 1 unit I will consider as a 1 kilometer. It's 1, it's second, it's a third, it's a fourth, it's a 5. So scale I am writing here. Okay, x axis 1 unit equals to 1 kilometer. Any doubt? 1 unit equals to 1 kilometer, and y is 8, 13 and 18. So if I take it as a multiple of 4, 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. Okay, so for the y axis what I am doing, okay, 1 unit equals to speak out 4 rupees. Y is the cost, so what I have done, 1 unit equals to 4 rupees. Now class, first coordinate is 1, 8. It's a 1, it's a 8. So it's a 1, 8. Other coordinate is 2, 13. This is 2 and 13 is nearby out here. Okay. So 2, 13. Now other is 3, 18. So 18 is near about it. So what you are getting? You will get the proper straight line. Okay. Proper straight line we will get. So this is y equals to 5x plus 3. Got it, class? Its coordinate is 3, 18. Isn't doubt, class? So we have done it in the graph. Okay. Take a screenshot. 1, 2, 3. Last and final question for today. This is of the exercise 4.4. Question first. What are you saying? Give the geometric representation. Give the geometric representation of y equals to 3 as an equation. As an equation, that is for the one variable, and that is second is for two variable. Okay, class. Now class, for the one variable, what you are doing? One variable is always considered as a number line. One variable is always considered as a number line, and this in two variable we are doing graph. Okay. So for one variable, first condition is one variable. That is, what is y equals to 3? So draw a number line. Draw a number line. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So what is y? Y is 3. So it's a, we'll write a y equals to 3. Okay. It's a number line. And for the second variable, two variable, means we need to draw a graph. This is your graph. It's a 0. What is y? 3. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Y equals to 3. So it's a y. So class, it's a coordinate of y. So we will make a parallel line, because x is 0. See, if x is 0, then the line of y axis goes parallel with the x axis. So this line is considered as y equals to 3. Isn't doubt, class? If there is x equals to 4, then I'm drawing here. It's a 5. It's a 4. Then draw a parallel line with the y axis. Got it? That's all for today, class. Thank you.